RAIS Ruto NATUMIRITIE Uchumi wa Kenya NIBUCOKEREETE na thirikari ya Kenya nende kumba witungatira yoyongwa akirekera muchemanio yo aritingwe yanene ba thirikari ya Kenya kwanza RAIS Ruto NAUGITE nende NTHIGURU NIBUCOKEREETE MAKINYA na MIBANGO ya KURIA MIKOBO YAYO reiterated KUKITIE.
Yesterday marked a significant financial milestone for Kenya as we successfully settled the buyback of a substantial part of the $2 billion 2014 Euro bonds that were scheduled to mature on the 24th of June 2024 by paying $1.5 billion raised on 12th February 2024.
Nimeario ya RAIS wa NTHIGURU ya Kenya William Samuel Ruto aentereche Naivasha kiariria umbani wa thirikari yake kirekorea marando ya Kenya inayo agita na mbere RAIS Ruto ugete bu ikona ni akinyonjire ni bambirite okucherwa Kenya agita na mbere na kuga thirikari nebanganite boya kirekorea marando.
And the new bond issue demonstrates strong investor confidence in Kenya through the international capital markets and a vote of confidence in the government's overall economic management, particularly our public debt management strategy.
Burakika kuna Kenya akiwa kinyakiro kyaba marando batigera kwena mutaratara yura yukethira nindi yotumira wa kendo uchumi wa Kenya bote kenyeleke.
I am delighted to announce that our sacrifices and determined efforts have not been in vain. As a consequence of our commitment to sound debt management strategy, fiscal and general economic management policies, and the tightening of our monetary policy by the Central Bank of Kenya, investor confidence has been significantly enhanced, resulting in the appreciation of the Kenya shilling against the US dollar from an average of 162 shillings to an average of 142 shillings at the moment.
In chiringi ya Kenya idirite gita na mbere kona ni akulika ikiringarita kwa na dola. RAIS Ruto nedirite akiwa bobumbite kumania na mitaratara irabedirite pakiuka kia thirikari. Augete bu orengene potethetie kwena mia irandura Kenya edinario na mabilion kadhumba ya mbecha.
This has reduced our overall debt by Kenya shillings 722 billion and also reduced our debt service costs by Kenya shillings 195 billion over the next years, saving the country a total of almost $1 trillion Kenya shillings.
Na kirikiria RAIS auanende Kenya kinyani umite marando ne amae ya kurandurwa.
Can now confidently say Kenya is no longer in the list of the countries that run the risk of debt default.
RAIS Ruto aritia kiriki gomano kira kidrite gita na mbere ntereche Naivasha kaunti ne ya Nakuru.